Hey there, I am a band director from Texas, and this week was absolutely incredible. We learned so much, from instrument pedagogy to meeting awesome new people from all over Texas and all over the United States. I can't wait to see you here. It's an experience you won't forget, and it's professional development like no other. You can't find anything like this anywhere. You've got to come, and I can't wait to see you next year.
My favorite thing about Band Directors Workshop is all the different people you get to meet and the networking you get to do. I mean, we had people from like 11 states and Canada, and I don't know, it's just so cool how we're all in different situations, but we can all still learn something and take something back to our schools.
Hello, I'm a band director from Lafayette, Louisiana. What I loved about the Band Director Workshop is all the great people in clinics. Every clinic was engaging, and I have a bunch of great information to take back with my band in Lafayette.
Hi, I'm from Canada, and I'm here in beautiful Texas enjoying my week at band camp. This has been the most amazing, wonderful, fabulous experience. I can think of lots more adjectives, and it's free, which is quite shocking. Anyway, I've had the most wonderful time. I have been in so many workshops. I have learned so much and on such a variety of topics. I've got to listen to great bands. I got to listen to faculty recitals, as well as student workshops, student concerts. It's been amazing, and I'm so grateful. Thank you.
I have truly enjoyed being in an environment where I'm not feeling judged, or I don't have to feel like I need to prove myself. And that has allowed me to truly learn more about the content, about how to help my students. And going into my third year of teaching, I feel more prepared than I ever have before.
So this is my second year coming to Band Director Workshop, and it's amazing. I learned more than I did last year somehow, and it completely changed my perspective of how to actually teach a few of the instruments.
Coming from an area that doesn't have a lot of professional development resources for band directors and band directing techniques, this is an excellent workshop experience for those people, whether you have a band of 12 or 120.
And this experience honestly has refilled my heart, because I have had the chance to work with some amazing teachers that care about learning and becoming better teachers. And I've also seen the amazing kids here and their dedication to making wonderful music. There's so much you can do here, and it's all free. We have laughed, we've loved, we've learned. It's been amazing. So please come to this workshop.
I'm here at Band Directors Workshop, and I've had an amazing week. I've gotten to go to so many different clinics, and I have taken in so much information that I cannot wait to go back to my band and implement. And I've also gotten to know some great band directors who are going to be really good resources, and we've gotten to share a lot of ideas and swap back and forth, and it has been amazing. You should definitely come to this workshop.
Hello, I'm a band director from Houston, Texas. And what I liked about the Band Director Workshop is it's basically having Google at your fingertips. The clinicians, the teachers here, you're able to ask them whatever you want, anything you want, and they'll answer your questions. It's very helpful.
Hi, I'm a band director from North Carolina, and this is my first time attending the Band Director Workshop, and honestly, it has been such an awesome experience. I have learned so much, met so many people who had great ideas, and have taught me so many new things that I am excited to take back to my state and to the classroom and to share with other band directors. So if you're doubting about coming, don't. It's amazing. Go ahead and make the trip. It's going to be so much fun next year.